Welcome to this weekly recap about GoToFundATrader. Today we're going to see all the updates that we have had lately, but most importantly, we're going to see our best traders of the week. And most importantly, the best trade, the best single trade of the week that was entered in the last week of operations of GoToFundATrader. We're actually going to see it on charts, so you can actually get something valuable from this, and you can see how other traders are operating. Starting off with our most recent updates, we have recently introduced our instant funding program. Yes, GoToFundATrader now offers instant funding with 8% smart maximum drawdown, 4% daily drawdown, no profit target at all, but most importantly, the payout schedule is the most interesting part. The payout schedule is our triple payday, which is applied also to our instant funding, but is also available for all of our other challenges for no extra fee. Triple payday works in a way that you can request a payout every 10 days. 15th and the 25th of every single month you can request a payout. Your profit split starts from 65% on the first payout, goes to 70% on the second payout, and then is 80% from the third payout on. And of course, when you start scaling up, then you can go up to 95% profit split. A lot of other exciting news for you. We are here to bring the best experience for you. Other updates are the My Statistics section on the Trader Dashboard. Yes, on the Trader Dashboard on GoToFundATrader, we just put a My Stats section where you can see your profit and loss, your win rate, your average risk to reward ratio, your profit factor, and also a calendar where you see all of your trades journaled. Not only this, but we've also added a lot size calculator, so you can calculate your lot size and actually manage risk from inside the Trader Dashboard of GoToFundATrader. But other than this, I noticed that we received some complaints about our daily drawdown in the latest weeks. And the complaint was not something weird, but it was just that some people were not understanding how it was calculated, when it was resetted, and all of this stuff. So what we've done to just fix this for once and for all was to add a countdown until the daily drawdown resets. This is already available on your Trader Dashboard. Not only this, but some other exciting statistics is that we've paid out almost $100,000 in the last week of operations, with the largest payout being around $8,000. Nothing crazy, we have had way higher payouts. Our highest payout so far is $32,000, but for the week, it's nice. We're gonna see what the best trader of the month is actually gonna perform like. And our average payout was $2,100. Lastly, another exciting news is that Quota Pay is finally back. People from Nigeria, Ghana, and Kenya can pay easily through Quota Pay. But now, with that being said, we're gonna see on MTJ what our best trade of the week looks like. The best trade of the week was actually entered also by the best trader of the week, which was in our number 1 position, and we're gonna see how he traded. Now, I made some assumptions. This is the backtest section of MTJ. This is MTJ software, a journaling and backtesting software that also has a trade copier across all platforms. But yeah, let's see what was going on here. So I made my own analysis. I don't know how this trader analyzed the market, but this trader entered this position on EURUSD. The best position of the week profited for $7,980, so basically almost $8,000 in one trade. Was a short trade on EURUSD, and yeah, I don't know how he analyzed charts, but I made my own assumptions. This is the Asian range for the day. He entered the trade during New York session, so in my time zone it's afternoon. We see that he entered the trades after the price reached this supply, and from my understanding, my assumption is that he decided to use this supply because this was a supply area that manipulated to the upside and then broke structure to the downside. So it's a very strong supply area above Asian range. And also the daily candle bias, the daily candle would have been basically full at this point. We went to the downside, we retraced during lunch break. Lunch break I called the time in which there's no London kill zone and there's no New York kill zone, which are just concepts around which I used to trade. After retracing, we see some manipulation of this area. This is a clear liquidity being created. We see a manipulation of this area. And as soon as this area, this confirmation takes place, I believe that this person was waiting for a second confirmation to the downside. So just to go back, let's see again. We have Asian range. We have this order block that manipulates and breaks. Price goes to the upside. Daily candle is totally full at this point, and then after reaching this point, we start retracing. No trade has been entered so far. After this, we see a manipulation of this trend line. No trade was taken even at this point, and I believe that here, this person was waiting for another confirmation. This break of structure to the downside was the confirmation, and the trade was entered exactly at this point, 1.1061. So here, stop loss just above this point. Sorry, stop loss was actually above this point right here, and take profit was below Asian range at, let me see, 1.1040. Here we have. Perfect. Risk to reward ratio sucks in this trade, to be honest, but of course every trade trades differently. I used to trade with minimum 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Now this is our best trader of the week, so I cannot say anything. We have stop loss right here, take profit right here. We ended up, of course, hitting take profit and profiting for almost $8,000. Now, just to show you, now it's too late because, well, let's actually go back here. We can go back to a certain date on MTJ, it's pretty easy, just like TradingView. You can also backtest on TradingView charts. As you can see, this is completely integrated with TradingView. Trade was entered here, not a great entry because after that we just started retracing right away. But who am I to say anything? This trader was our best trader of the week. So this was the trade. We just placed the order through MTJ backtest. The trade was, let me give you some stats. The trade was held for 30 hours. And it was entered on the 2nd of September and it was closed on the 3rd of September. It was a short trade on EURUSD, which profited for almost $8,000. Let's just wait until this is done. Let's see how it plays out. We have had a lot of back and forth. It was going into loss, then profit, then loss again, and then finally it hit take profit. Now, let's see what our best 5 traders of the week were actually doing. Our second best trader of the week had a 14% return with a 100% win rate with an average hold time of 40 minutes. Our third best trader of the week had a 14% profit with 100% win rate, again pretty similar, with a 6 hours and a half average hold time. Our fourth trader of the week, which was our fourth best trader of the week, had a 12% profit with a 100% win rate with an average hold time of almost 2 hours. And our fifth best trader of the week had a 10% return on his account with a 100% win rate, again with an average hold time of almost 3 hours. These are some very interesting stats. We can see that none of these is a swing trader, all of these are day traders, none of these are scalpers, but every single one of these, our 5 best traders of last week, are all day traders. So of course you can do whatever you want with these statistics. I hope that this video was helpful for you. We've had some very exciting updates at GFT, and also we went over some of the best traders that we have in our platform among tens of thousands of traders. Now, with that being said, this is just the beginning, because I will keep telling you about what our best traders are doing, and at the same time, GoToFunTrader just got started. We are actually one of the few companies that has in-house technology, and not only this, not only we have in-house technology, but our tech is another company of mine that I own, where we have a lot of developers, where we have a really motivated team in order to make our tech company the best. We offer tech to other companies, to other prop firms, to other futures prop firms, to other sports prop firms, and to other softwares in general. And by having such motivated team, we are able to bring updates on updates on updates also at GoToFunTrader and soon GoToFunFutures to our traders. So stay tuned, because we have a lot coming for you. I'll see you in the next video.